guys, so here's the situation. Sadly, I kind of lost my footage, accidentally deleted it. So as you can see, I am pretty much just halfway through this unit. Um, I didn't get any of the footage for my lace frontal install, or how I create that portion of the wig. Or how I start my tracks in making this unit. So anyway, this is a lace frontal unit that I'm making. It is 10 inches for the front, the lace frontal, 12, 14, and 16 inches. Those are the three bundles that I'm using. So hey, gotta work with what I got. And we'll just say we'll use this as a preview of the tutorials to come for how I create my frontal lace units. So enjoy the brief footage. I hope that you like the finished product. And until next time, I hope that this kind of holds you over. Thanks for watching.